Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So normally when you bake a cake, you expect everything to come out perfectly made, especially when you're baking several cakes at a time. So today I'm going to be talking about uneven cakes or slanty cakes. So when you bake a cake, you know how it is. When you bake a cake, sometimes it is slanty and it doesn't come out as perfect as you expect it to. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to fix that without wasting any part of your cake. My worst nightmare is having to waste a cake. So last night I baked a few cakes that I was going to frost the next day, and then some of them came out like slanty and like uneven. So I'm going to tell you the reasons why this happened though. But the first thing you want to do if you don't want to waste any part of your cake is to slice it. Slice an even layer underneath. Make sure the layer underneath is even. And then do the same thing for the other side. Make sure if you don't know how to slice with your hand, with your free hand, you get a cake slicer. So guys, in my case, I slice with my hands without any tool because I'm used to doing this. I've done this for like 7 years, so I know how to slice with my hands and like without using maybe a special tool or anything. But in your case, if you don't know how to do that, it's best you get a cake slicer because it saves you a lot of time and you won't like have to be wasting your time or looking for how to get rid of a crooked cake or how to fix it. So get a cake slicer and make sure the cake, the layer underneath is like very even and straight, so that the only part that is crooked and slanty and uneven would be the top layer. So right now that we've like sliced the underneath part away, so I'm going to show you guys how to superimpose it. Look at what I did here. I put the higher side on the lower side and the lower side on the higher side, so that way it kind of balances out. I don't know if that makes sense. So that's what we're going to do. So, and I'm going to show you how to frost that with buttercream so that it doesn't move or it doesn't shake or it doesn't collapse or it's evenly made. It won't look like it's slanty or anything. So guys, I'm going to give you the 3 reasons why like your cakes might become uneven. The first thing is maybe your oven is overcrowded. In my case, that was what I did. I was trying to bake too many cakes at a time. The second reason would be maybe different parts of your oven are different temperatures, or maybe you didn't place your cake right, maybe, and usually that's due to overcrowding too while trying to fit all of your pans into the oven. So right now, look at what I'm doing. I'm trying to frost the cake. So I'm going to put an even layer down first, the low bottom side that is very even. So I'm going to put the next one that is not even. Look at what I'm doing. Now this cake is slanty, but still we're going to put some buttercream on it and then superimpose the other slanty one on top. So it means the 2 slanty cakes will be in the middle and the evenly sliced cakes will be on the bottom and on the top. That way it helps your cake to be evenly aligned and it won't be slanty or moving. It will look well frosted, just like a pro made it. So you guys see what I'm doing? Yeah, now I'm superimposing the cake, the higher part on the lower part and the lower part on the higher part. So now if you notice, it is now like completely even because the size as the shapes have evened out themselves, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to put the last even layer on top. That's all. And then we are going to crumb coat the cake with some buttercream, and then that is all we're gonna do. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this video, I'd like you to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I upload different videos like twice a week for you guys. So thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you guys. Bye.